educators who are counseling you on a regular basis and trying to understand where is your sugar going, high or low. So even if you want an advice on your blood sugars, we can give you the advice, but the final thing would be to go to your own doctor. We don't want you not to go to your doctor. We are just being the link between the doctor and the patient so that you are getting the advice. Otherwise there's no point. See, you do your sugar today and it's 400, and if you don't tell your doctor about it and you go to your doctor after 2 months, can he help you? Whatever damage has happened at 400 has happened. Every time your blood sugar goes above 200, that means it's causing damage to your body. It's causing damage to your eyes, to your kidneys, and we see patients, with creatinine of 2 and 4. And then it's too late. Then they go into dialysis, and then your patient on dialysis spends minimum of 15 to 20,000 a month. And then the life is gone because you cannot eat so many things when your kidneys are damaged. And the first organ to get damaged in diabetes is your kidney. So very important is, what you have to remember as a diabetic is, never allow your blood sugars to cross 180. Because when your sugars cross 180, it comes out from the kidney into the urine. And you will see urine will have sugar positive. So these are the tools that you get. You get an e-opinion. Suppose you are taking some medicine and you want an advice on it. We have a doctor on panel who will tell you what to do. E-test, we have tie-ups with different labs. We have tie-ups with Metropolis, we have tie-ups with Spectrum Lab, which give you discounts on the test. So if you're going to join Chini-Cum, you get a 20% discount on lab test, on all the tests. And you get home technician at home. You get a doc talk, you get health records, all your tests can be stored on our online portal. Calorie counter, grocery guru, when you're going out to buy from the supermarket, eating out, and a recipe master. Newsletters, now you're all very, very regular at the health library, right? So similarly, you will get newsletters on your email account on different topics. These are the recipes that come out to you. Eating out options, so at Subway what to choose, at mainland China what to choose. This is how your online account looks with tips and everything. This is how you store your glucose reading. So when you do your readings, you store it like this, right, in a log book. Now what we can do for you is we get it like this. So you get trends. So you get fasting sugar trends, pre-meal sugar trends, which we then email to your doctor. And your doctor can see it even before you have met the doctor. So by the time the doctor sees you, the doctor knows everything about you. So he's taking the right decision. Otherwise, if you share just 1 or 2 readings with the doctor, what is he going to understand from it? Your A1C will continue to be 8.4. That's because there is no data available for the doctor to work on. The doctor needs enough data and the right information. And most of us manipulate. Like I have patients who tell me, Cheryl, actually I cheated. My sugar was actually 150, but I put 100. But they feel it because they have the trust and faith. They know that we have trust in the patient. So the patient cannot cheat us. And we are in touch even with the relatives. So the cooks and the wife, everybody, and even the wife gets the message. The best part is, if your sugar is low, the message will go to your wife. If your sugar is high, the message goes to your wife. So in an emergency, your wife knows about what is happening and how to treat you. This is how we discuss. So we have patients who are here, doctors who are in the US, and we are managing the patients. And the doctor knows exactly. So the patient is being managed in India by his doctor who is in the US. And they really prefer this service. You get to know how many calories are burnt, how many calories are consumed. So you can just go into your online account and type chapati, you will know how much carb, protein, fat is there in the chapati. So you don't even need a dietitian. You yourself will know how much you are eating. So we are educating you on a regular basis. How many carbs are there in food? Our patients click pictures of their meals and send us. So we have these really techno savvy people who actually click pictures of how their plate looks and send us, which is good. Because in India the only problem is when he says 1 katori and when you say 1 katori, it's very different. We in fact did, we did a small survey with my students recently, I did with chapati. I told all of them, get your chapatis. So Muslims, Maharashtrians, Gujaratis, Catholics, everybody bought. The Gujarati chapatis were just 15 grams. The Muslim chapatis were 45 grams. The Maharashtrian chapatis were 30 grams. So everybody's chapati size is different. So when you say you eat 2 chapatis, I will never know which chapati it is, because I have fulka in my mind. You are saying chapati. Now that day itself, one patient was telling me, I eat fulkas. And I told him, okay, I was counting fulka means I thought it's small. But I told him, why don't you send the chapati? He sent 1 chapati to my house. And I saw it was not a fulka, it was a paratha. It's 40 grams. So you will know only when you see. So we actually do this activity where we actually see what is the portion size, because this is very important. We did a small study with our patients and we've seen there's a reduction in A1C by 1.62% every 6 months, where we've seen that patients have reduced their body weight, their sugars have gone down, and patients are feeling good. These are our patients. They start with 60 units of insulin and today they are off insulin. Or they are on 10 medications and today just on 2 medicines with sugars which are excellent. I just share with you a few cases which you can see. This is a patient who's just 26-year-old, who's type 1 diabetic, started with an A1C of 8.6 and today's A1C is 6.6. He was also on medication. See, all type 1s are on insulin. But this patient is off his oral medication, he's only on insulin, that also his dose has been reduced. This is a patient who's recently diagnosed with diabetes. This is a very interesting case. A young fellow, 29-year-old, who was not even married. Okay, he had a girlfriend. His sugar was, his A1C was 15.5. His average sugar was 120. Cholesterol was high, and today his A1C, today itself we got this patient's A1C done. His A1C has come down to 6.1. He's happily married now and his sugars are very well controlled. And this is what we can do. This is just in a span of 6 months. And Urmi, who's here, she's his health manager.
Is it because of medication?
This is not medication, just health coach. In fact, Urmi, you can share with us about this patient. She is managing this patient.
I remember this patient when he came to the clinic for the first time. He had come to the clinic, it's a physician's clinic, where he came to the doctor saying that he has some skin problem and he's getting some allergy on the skin. And he doesn't have a history of diabetes in his family. Nobody is diabetic, nobody is thyroid, nothing. He's absolutely fine. So he never thought that there's something like this can happen to him as well. And he was going to get married in the next 6 months. He was engaged at that time. And doctor just said that let's prick you and let's see what is your random sugar. And it was 458 in the clinic at that time. So we immediately rushed him and told him that you need to get a complete checkup done. We identified that his A1C is 15.5. He got a shock of his life. Even the girlfriend got shocked because she's like, I don't know what to do with.
I mean, obviously for a girl who's just engaged to him and going to be married to him and she sees her husband is highly diabetic, her going to be, and you know how it is. Diabetes is still a taboo in India. The moment you come to know that you're getting married to a diabetic, you want to, back out.
So, but I really appreciate that, he did it pretty well. He changed his lifestyle completely. He owns a shop, a retail shop, clothes retail shop he has. So the entire thing is that he's sitting the whole day. He doesn't have to do any form of exercise. But with the A1C 15.5, we pushed him that you need to exercise because he doesn't look that obese, because he lost weight when he came to us and he was very happy. He said, I'm going to get married and I've lost weight, so that's the best part of this diabetes that I've got it. But he never knew that it's because of uncontrolled sugars that he lost weight. And today they are happily married. They went out, they're very happy, and with the A1C 6.1, we've given him a target.
6.1 means he is non-diabetic. So this should be our goal, and this is our goal at Chinicum. The only way is through a health coach. Medicines do work, but what is important is behavior change and lifestyle change, because medicines will work today. But remember, every time your doctor is increasing the medicine, he's whipping your pancreas. Your pancreas are getting exhausted. So right now, yes, because you're whipping it, it's going to give insulin. But after a certain period, your pancreas are going to be exhausted. Your beta cells are going to be exhausted. Then what is the next step? No insulin. No insulin means you need external insulin. That means you need to be on insulin from outside. What we need to do is, at the right time, now we caught this patient early, where his beta cells were there. So we actually help the patient come back to normal. And that is what we talk about reversing diabetes. If this is reversing diabetes, yes, we have reversed diabetes. And if he maintains it, it's fantastic. And the only way to maintain it is Urmi is there who's going to talk to him. So even if the patient doesn't respond, we will call the patient. That, we with our busy lifestyle sometimes just say, forget it, our sales pressures are there and this pressure is there, but there is somebody who is interested in your health and you will report to that patient. Now this is a very interesting case again. He is a patient who is actually working off a rig in Australia. He's an Indian who alternate, how rig workers work. 1 month they are out on the rig and 1 month here. And on the rig they get everything to eat. It's like a 5-star hotel. You're working for those hours and you are in that place. So you eat everything. There was a gym, he never went to it. I'll tell you what was his weight. He was 100 kilos plus. He was 102 kilos when he actually came. And it's a very interesting case because he went for his medical checkup and his doctor told him he was a chronic alcoholic. So every time he was in, he's earning more than 5 lakhs a month. So when he was in India, the only thing to do is drink. So in a day, every day drink half a bottle. And a lot of friends you get. When there is money, friends are there. And when there is booze and money, a lot of friends are there. So he used to drink, put on a lot of weight. And when he went for his medical checkup, his lipids were very deranged, okay. His liver enzymes are very high, in thousands they were. And his doctor told, and his sugars. And he got a shock of his life when he got diabetes. So his sugars, fasting was 140. He went to his doctor said, if you don't control now, I will have to make you medically unfit. Because you cannot travel to the rig, because on the rig, no person with diabetes who's on insulin is allowed. Because that's a risk. So he got a shock of his life. That means he's going to lose his money. I mean, he's not going to work. That means his monthly income is going to be gone. At that point, he joined Chinicum. So it was a do or die situation for him. And in a matter of 4 months, that is, he joined us in September, and these are pictures which he has sent us. And in January, he was down to 76 kilos. He stopped drinking. His sugars were back to 80. Fasting was 80. That means he became a non-diabetic. Liver enzymes are good. Lipids are well controlled. And today, he's so happy. In fact, a lot of his colleagues who have seen him have joined Chinicum is because how well he has done. They were surprised.
80 without medication.
Without medication. He came down to 76. Imagine. And he's maintained this weight. And today, he's a role model for all his colleagues. In fact, today people look up to him. And he's thanked his doctor for giving him that warning.
How did weight be reduced? Diet?
Through diet. On the rig, he was actually in touch with us every day because emails are there. So he used to tell us what is the menu. And we used to tell him what to pick up. And today he's become, see today he doesn't even need us. Because today he knows that, okay, breakfast, what do I need to choose? Otherwise what happens is it's a very elaborate buffet. So you get tempted. And they have pork and beef and everything because the whites are also there. So you end up eating steaks and you end up eating muffins and you end up eating desserts. Because it's there, you can't say no. But here he had his health manager who was telling him what to choose. So he had the menu, he used to tell us what the menu is and we used to tell him what. Then the gym is there. He started using the gym regularly. So every day for 1 hour he used to work out on the gym. And even when he was in Bombay, he was working out. And he actually gave us a very good testimonial. He said he used to hate looking at himself in the mirror because he used to find himself ugly. And today he's saying, I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror because I feel so good about myself. And this is the best thing that can happen to somebody. And there are many, many other cases. If you see this patient, he used to skip his medicines, 8 to 10 times a week. And today, he hardly skips his medicines. His sugars are controlled well. These are all our patients who modeled. This lady, she was getting hypoglycemia 3 times a week and today no hypoglycemic episodes at all. Expenditure goes down because see, what you're looking at is how many strips am I burning a month, how much insulin am I. The biggest advantage for our patients is that if they are on insulin, they go off insulin. So the cost is gone. The amount of medicines that they spend money on is gone. The strips that they burn, they get value for the strips. And here they get strips at a discounted rate. They get packages at a discounted rate. So lab tests also we give at a discounted rate. Medicines they get at a discounted rate. So they get 10% off on medicines. So I'll just tell you what the program is. Like see this patient, he was on 20 units of insulin a day. And today he's off insulin. He's 89 years old. He's an ex-captain. And very, very well controlled. So this is the program. One is on diabetes that we have. We've started a program for weight loss. So we have a tie-up with Gold's Gym All India. So all the Gold's Gym weight loss program is being managed by us. So we have our nutritionist at Gold's Gym and this 24/7 service is there. So we have a health manager who's there from 8 in the morning till 3 in the night. who's working. So obviously we have shifts, but we have people who are working, and you get only one person. So it's not like today you will talk to me and tomorrow you will talk to Urmi and somebody else. If you have Urmi, you will only speak to Urmi, and that's how it goes. So this is the package that we have with Metropolis. Now our plans start at 6,000 for a year. So the plan that I'm talking to you about is 6,000 rupees for the whole year, which comes to 500 rupees a month, where you get all these services. Plus, if you take this entire package, this is with Metropolis that we have. So you have this 1 year program that you have for 6,000. You get a glucometer with 100 strips for 2,800 rupees. And if you want to buy strips after that, you get strips at 20 rupees a strip, which is economical. It is same like your lab. And all these tests that you get done for the whole year with home visit, which costs more than 5,170, you are getting it at 3,500. Plus you will get Gold's Gym membership for a month free. So this entire package works up to 15,300. What you get it at is 9,500. So you will get Metropolis, all your checkup for the whole year, home visits. So you get 2 A1Cs, you get actually 2 tests of FBS and PLBS every alternate month. So actually it is 6 fasting and PP, right Kunjal? 6 fasting and PPs, right? And how many A1Cs? So you get 4 A1Cs. This is written wrong actually. You get 4 A1Cs. Each A1C test is 500 rupees if you all do it. So you get 4 A1Cs, you get 6 fasting and PPs, you get microalbumin, you get creatinine, and you get a lipid profile. And you have a technician visiting your home. This is the other plan that we have. We have got a platinum home care plan, wherein you don't need to come to us, we come to your house and we do your entire family. So we do all the checkup of your entire family, and up to 6 people that we do. So we do the health risk assessment, the biometric assessment, the meal and lifestyle. So we give diet plans to you and your family members. We train your kitchen staff. So if you have a cook, we train the kitchen staff. There's a family physician on call, which is unlimited. So anytime you have a problem like a cold, fever, you have a doctor on call, okay, for the entire year. And you get all the discounts on all the lab tests and all that, and this costs somewhere around 15,000 rupees for the entire year. So these are the different plans. We have got a pregnancy plan for pregnant mothers, in case today pregnant women have a lot of myths that what should we do, should we eat this, should we eat that, what is good for me, what is good for my baby. So we have the same service for our pregnant women. So this is what Chinicum is all about, and we are doing it all with the mobile phone. So if you all are busy, you all can be in your office and interact with us and be in touch with us. Today we are doing the health risk assessment for those of you who want to know what is your body fat, what is your waist circumference and all that, and we are doing it. We usually charge 1,500 rupees for it, but we are doing it at a discounted rate of 500 rupees. So in case you all want to get it done, we can do it for you all. If you all have any other questions, I'll be very happy to answer. Thank you.